Tired of chasing down your friends for that dinner bill? Remitly's got your back. Today, we're diving into how to use Remitly to easily request payments from anyone, making awkward IOUs a thing of the past. First, open the Remitly app on your phone. Look for the Request tab, usually located in the middle of your screen, or within the menu options. Tap on it. Now you will see an option to request money. Enter the amount of money that you would like to request in the amount field. Add the name or email of the person who owes you money in the recipient field. It's always a good idea to include a brief message for clarity, so use the description box to mention what the money is for, like pizza night or Sarah's birthday gift. All that's left is to tap the Send Request button at the bottom of the screen. Remitly will send a notification to the recipient with your request details. You will also receive a confirmation message saying that your request has been sent. You can track all your pending and completed requests within the app, so you always know who still owes you and who has paid up. So ditch the debt anxiety and start requesting payments the easy way with Remitly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks.